William Hilton was born June 3, 1786, died December 30, 1839. Was a British portrait and history painter. He is also known as William Hilton the Younger, although he is best known today for simple portraits of the poets John Keats and John Clare. He was successful in his lifetime with huge history paintings in the grand manner, which have not benefited from the revival of interest in 19th-century British academic art, and are unlikely to be on display in the museums that own them. In 1813, having exhibited Miranda and Ferdinand with the logs of wood, he was elected as an associate of the Academy, and in 1820 as a full academician. His diploma picture representing Ganymede. In 1823, he produced Christ crowned with thorns, a large and important work regarded as his masterpiece, subsequently bought as the first purchase of the Chantrey Fund in 1878. In 1827 he succeeded Henry Thomson as Keeper of the Royal Academy. Two of his works were bought by the British Institution for Churches for £525 and £1,050. But the failure of Edith finding the body of Harold to make more than £200 marked the end of the taste for such works.